This right here is pickled eggs, and we made them from scratch. We have not opened this jar since pickling it 2 weeks ago. So I'm about to burp this thing, and we will see the initial experience. Ooh, smells really good, actually.
Really? May I smell it? It actually does.
Oh, you got a plugged nose and you can still smell it.
That smells good.
So inside of this pickle jar, there's mustard seeds, jalapenos, bay leaves, and farm fresh eggs. Oh, and garlic. Blue garlic, apparently. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. All right.
That's just how it is.
Here we go. Oh, it's hard. It's like really hard.
But with your own teeth.
I have mixed emotions. Oh yeah, it's pickling. I'm genuinely confused on how I should feel. This has to be an acquired taste. Try this thing. Here.
I'm scared now. I don't want
Do
to.
it. What do you think?
I don't think it's bad.
I don't think it's horrible, but I also don't think it's my favorite thing in the world. Raya?
I'm not gonna buy it either.
I think you'll like it, Millie.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Here it is, pickled eggs. Pretty good flavor, but the texture is what throws me off. What about you?
Yeah.
You same
It
thing?
was a weird texture. It's
Yep.
very hard.
Yeah, it's really hard. Like, it's not...
Really pickly.
It's very pickly. But, you know what I do want to try? I want to try the jalapeno. Jalapeno! Here's the jalapeno. That's really good. I could eat that all day. Cheers! Mmm.
Daddy just ate the whole thing, Mommy.
I can get behind that. That was really good. So if I was to rate this out of 10 for something that I would eat, like, you know, just to eat, I'd probably give it like a 6. It wouldn't be something I'd eat all the time, but it's something I definitely could eat. Now, if it was the jalapenos itself and it was just pickled jalapenos, I'd give that like a 9. I really like the pickled jalapenos inside of it. But it is pretty strange how the garlic in there, I don't know if you can see it, but the garlic turned blue. If you know why the garlic turns blue, let me know in the comment section. And we will make another video, quick short one, for you to be able to make this at home yourself, or we can put the link in the description for the recipe. But if you want to see another review, feel free to check out this one over here. We'll see you next time. Aloha.